Hi, so today we are talking about robot vision system. So what is a robot vision system? A robot vision system refers to technology that enables robot to perceive and interpret visual information from their surroundings, akin to how humans use their eye to see and understand the world. Here are some key components and concepts related to a robot vision system. Number one, camera. Cameras are the primary sensor used in robot vision system. They capture images or videos of the robot's environment. Various types of cameras can be used, including RGB cameras, infrared cameras, depth cameras such as Microsoft Kinect or LiDAR camera, and stereo camera. Second is image process. Once the image are captured, they are processed using algorithms to extract useful information. This can include tasks such as filtering, edge detection, feature extraction, and image segmentation. Number third is feature detection and recognition. Robots need to identify specific features or objects in their environment to perform tasks effectively. Feature detection and recognition algorithms allow robots to detect objects, recognize patterns, and localize themselves within a space. Number 4. Depth perception. Depth perception is crucial for robots to understand the 3D structure of their surroundings. Depth information can be obtained using techniques like stereo vision, time of flight, structure of light, or depth from focus. Number 5. Object track. Object tracking enables robots to follow and monitor the movement of specific objects over time. This is useful and applications such as robotic surveillance, autonomous vehicles, and human-robot interaction. Number 6. Machine learning and AI. Machine learning techniques such as deep learning are increasingly being used in robot vision system to improve their performance in tasks like object recognition, classification, and scene understanding. AI algorithm can learn from large data sets to make accurate prediction and decisions based on visual input. Number 7. Collaboration and sensor fusion. It is essential to calibrate the cameras and other sensors in the robot's vision system to ensure accurate measurement and interpretation of the environment. Sensor fusion techniques combine data from the multiple sensors to enhance the robot's perception capability. Number 8 is real-time processing. Many robots applications require real-time processing of visual information to make timely decisions and respond to changes in the environment quickly. Efficient algorithms and hardware are essential for achieving a real-time performance. Number 9. Application. Robot vision systems find applications in various fields including industrial automation, robotics, autonomous vehicles, healthcare, agriculture, surveillance, and augmented reality. Overall, robot vision systems play a vital role in enabling robots to perceive, understand, and interact with their environment autonomously or semi-autonomously. Advances in computer vision, machine learning, and sensor technology continue to drive innovation in the field, making robots more capable and versatile in a wide range of applications. So this is information about robot vision system. See you next video. Thanks.